Meaning of histamine.
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 Histamine. Histamine is a chemical compound that is naturally produced by the body as well as found in certain foods. It is released during an allergic reaction and causes symptoms such as itching, inflammation, and swollen tissues. Histamine works by binding to specific receptors on cells in the body, triggering a cascade of events that result in these unpleasant side effects. Some common triggers for histamine release include insect bites, certain medications, and certain foods such as shellfish and strawberries. Antihistamines are medications that can help block the effects of histamine, reducing allergy symptoms.